Welcome to RightScore. This video will show you how to get started and logged in to take your RightScore assessment. To begin, you'll need to log in. If you use Clever or ClassLink, log in to your Clever or ClassLink account. Then, find the RightScore app, which looks like this. If you don't use Clever or ClassLink, open a web browser and go to student.rightscore.com. The screen that you come to will look like the one pictured now. On this screen, you'll need to enter your information, starting with your first name, then your last name, your student ID number, and your school district. Once you have entered your information, click on the green button that says Log In. This will bring you to a test selection page. From here, you will select the test that you'll be taking and click on it. Then click Next. This will bring you into the online testing platform. There will be a couple of pages with instructions reminding you that you will have some test-taking tools and that you will have access to different articles. Click the Next button in here and you will find an overview of the test features. You can scroll through this overview by using the scrolling bar here on the right-hand side. To enter your test, click on the button at the bottom of the screen that says Enter Student Test. This page is very important because it reminds you that you need to use the Save button as you go through your tests. The program does not automatically save your essay, so be sure as you are writing to periodically click the Save button to avoid losing any information that you have written. This is what the first page of your test will look like, and tells you that you will have 3 sources to read, and then you will respond to an essay prompt. Click the blue button that says Begin Test. Here you are instructed to read sources 1, 2, and 3, and then respond to the essay prompt. Click the Next button. This is what your test will look like. On the left-hand side, you will see the passages that are available. You can navigate from one passage to the next by clicking the title's passage, Passage 1, Passage 2, and Passage 3. If you need to, you can move up and down in the article by using the scrolling bar in the center of the page. The writing prompt will be on the right-hand side of the screen. The prompt will tell you exactly what you're supposed to write about, so read carefully. You will be entering your essay into the text box. Scroll down and put your cursor in the text box and click. Then you'll be able to type in your essay. As you're typing, it's important for you to click the green Save button from time to time. While you're taking your assessment, you will have access to some different tools. These tools can be located at the top of your screen. You will notice that at the top left-hand side of the screen, I have completed 100% of this test. You won't be needing this particular tool for the essay test. However, you may want to use a highlighter to highlight different parts of the articles. Simply click on the highlighter tool, select the portion that you would like to highlight, and click off. You will notice that it highlights that selection. To remove the highlight, click on it again, and then click OK. Click off of the green highlighter icon to make the highlighting tool go away. The next tool is called a line reader. To access this tool, click on the icon that says Line Reader, and a gray ruler will appear. By using your mouse, you can click on the line reader to move it up and down, to help you follow along as you read. To remove the line reader, simply click on the icon again. The next button is Mark for Review, which is used with tests that have more than one question, so you won't need it here. The next tool is called Notes. By clicking on this button, you will open up a section where you can take some notes. You simply type in the notes that you would like to keep and click on the blue Save button. Clicking on the X will make the notes disappear, but you can simply click on the icon again to bring them back. On the right-hand side at the top of the screen, you will see some small magnifying glasses. These can help you manage the size of the text on your screen. To make the words larger, click on the middle magnifying glass that has the plus symbol in it. This will make the text larger. To make it smaller, click on the magnifying glass that has the minus symbol in it. You can go back to the original size by clicking on the magnifying glass on the right with the number 1 in it. After you have completed your essay and you're ready to submit it, click on the green Save button one last time, then click OK. Finally, click on the blue Next button. This will bring you to a page that says you have completed your assessment. If you didn't write anything in the essay text box, you will have a red circle with an exclamation point on it. That means the question has not been answered. You can simply click on the number 1 to go back to your essay and finish writing it. When you are completely ready to submit your test, click on the blue Submit for Scoring button, but make sure that you're ready to turn it in, because after you click this blue button that says Submit for Scoring, no changes can be made. When you're all finished, make sure you've pressed Submit for Scoring. Otherwise, your response will not be scored. For questions or issues with logging in, please reach out to your teacher. Thank you for using RightScore, and best of luck on your assessments.